nobody would have imagined me going to MasterChef. And MasterChef for me was a road not taken. I was like, आया है कर लेते हैं. Because I'd manifested last year कि यार TV पे आना है, कुछ OTT करना है TV. And I've written it down.
Big Boss OTT से कॉल आया क्या? आया था.
The chai is very good today. People till today who watch the show fly down to come see me.
Wow.
Diabetic kids, parents.
Oh my god.
People with diabetic parents, people who are off sugar, people who want to meet me, people who want to interact with me.
That's so cool.
पैसा था, सेविंग्स का कॉन्सेप्ट तभी भी नहीं था, अभी भी नहीं है.
Bad advice. Please don't listen to this.
Never listen to me about financial advice. आप प्रोडक्ट कितना भी सुंदर बनाओ, ब्रांड नेम कितना भी सही रखो, बट अगर प्रोडक्ट सॉलिड है ना तो लोग वापस आके खरीदेंगे. दूसरी तो तीसरी बात. We did 3 times of Diabetic Chef's first year of revenue in 6 months.
Damn.
I made money, I made name.
You don't need to sit and pick every stock that you invest
Micromanaging
in.
everything in your life is a terrible idea.
Yes, you can find a professional who can choose to do it. It's totally fine. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Happy Hour with Finn Cocktail. Today we have somebody very special. His name is Harsh Kedia. He's been a MasterChef India candidate. He's been on Forbes Asia 30 under 30. He's a diabetic chef. And we met at one of those LinkedIn events and truly hit it off because I absolutely love his vibe. And I think we're going to have a great conversation. So I'm going to dive right in. Hi, Harsh. Welcome to the show.
Hello. I'm so happy to be here.
I'm so happy you could make it.
I'm really happy because this is called Happy Hours. And
clearly this conversation is going to
it's
be
a
very
weekday
interesting.
Happy Hours. It's
है
gonna
ना?
have, yeah.
It's
I'm
needed.
sure we'll have a lot of fun. Yes.
It's needed. It's very important.
But yes, how have you been? What's been up?
I've been good. Very, very hectic. You tell me. A lot of fun things are going on.
Yeah, you can call it fun.
I mean, it's supposed to be fun, right? Yes, it is hectic. But it's also
I mean,
fun.
yeah, I wouldn't disagree with like the idea of what I do being fun because I thoroughly enjoy it. And it's one of those things we say as kids, मुझे बड़ा होके blah 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 बनना है. And I was always very clear since I was 12 कि मुझे बड़ा होके chef बनना है.
हाँ. And you've actually done
I
it.
did it. But it was 10 years of resentment and everything that I had gone through. And now I'm doing what I do and I do have a lot of fun. But doing what I do at the moment, the chef life comes with entrepreneurial life.
Yes.
Comes with a lot of responsibility.
Correct.
And it comes with a lot of accountability. Now, a lot of this is not the fun part. So when I say, yeah.
Is it fun, really?
Yeah,
That's
then
when you...
At the back of my mind, I'm like, operations, finance. And all of that gets less fun for me.
Yes. Well, that is the fun part for me.
Yeah. So you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like,
yeah, if you ask me to cook a mithai, I will burn butter also.
yeah, I don't doubt that at all. Like I
He has
know
so much confidence on me.
It's not you. I'm saying generally, it's very perseverance and ability based.
Correct.
And not everything that is a skill comes with mastery in itself. There's a lot of practice and there's a lot of things you have to do.
Yeah.
Like I had a knack for cooking, but what I do professionally today needs a lot of practice and finesse and hand burning, as they say. Have you burnt your hands? Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Literally.
It's so important to understand this, right? Because it's as much of an art as it is. It's also years of dedication and practice and kind of honing your skills.
Yeah.
Only when can you kind of reach the other side. It's crazy. I know that you started working at the age of like 16.
Yeah.
And that's absurd to me because at 16, I was, I don't know, watching cartoons still, I think.
I'll be very honest with you. I still watch cartoons.
Me too.
But those are more evolved
a little bit.
PG, non-PG-13
Non-PG-13 cartoons.
on Netflix.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I didn't work because I had to work. We've grown up comfortably in like a middle-class family in our own little home. I did work because I enjoyed doing what I did.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, work then was teaching parents, like moms especially, how to bake cakes.
Yeah.
Because back then also, and we're talking 12 years back, also learning how to make a cake and in no stereotypical way was a very cherished housewife activity.
Yeah.
Like a mom would love to bake a cake or muffins for a
Yeah.
husband's birthday or like the
Correct.
child's birthday or when there are guests coming.
Yeah.
So bake to impress was a thing.
Yeah. Bake to impress.
And the other segment of it was selling muffins and cupcakes to get extra pocket money to eat more canteen food. And no jokes.
That's
this
the
is,
dream, no?
Since I was diabetic, I was restricted with the amount of money I would get from home to travel to school and back because they knew that every extra 10 rupees would entail extra carbs and calories. और तभी उतना मतलब नहीं मालूम था, but I did
Correct.
what I did. And then 17 onwards, I was in college. Now, when you go to college, your needs and demands are different financially. I'd moved out of my house. I was staying in Pune. And after that, there's been no looking back. It's been straight up 11, 12 years now since I've been working.
Wow. That's crazy. And honestly, this is something that I always kind of do not relate with when it comes to, you know, बचपन में मुझे शेफ बनना था और मैं शेफ बन गया. I had no idea what I wanted to do in life.
I think it's fair. Like, a lot of people also switch their careers
Yes.
much later on in their lives.
Yes.
Sometimes I do feel, and this thought crosses my mind, and I really hope I don't, but what if I get bored of cooking someday?
Yeah.
What will I do?
What will you do?
Because a majority of like my skills, of course, has been business,
Correct.
but it's been a lot of business around food.
Around food.
I know it's a very long shot of getting bored of food. I probably don't think it's even like an idea. But if I do, what will I do? So I think it's all right. Like, I know someone very closely, of course. 15 years she worked, had an extremely well paying job, quit her job one day because she couldn't find the right nutrition based food for her children.
Oh, wow.
And she started her own thing.
You never know when the calling happens.
Yeah.
You just don't know.
Yeah. And I have done way too many professional switches alongside the
Within,
chef
yeah.
life. Teaching, consulting, social media, digital, writing, content.
हमने सब कर लिया है.
हमने सब कोशिश कर लिया है, पैसे कमाए सब में. ऐसा नहीं कि hit and miss था.
Correct.
Like हमेशा वो था कि if I start something, if I pursue something, I'll learn and make a living out of it. That was never like in question.
Correct.
But how much longer would I want to do it? I never knew. अभी मुझे मालूम है यही करना है.
यही करना है. At least now you're sure कि this boat is sailing well.
Yeah.
I like it. And right now your boat went through a couple of ports which are very interesting, like the Master Chef India situation.
Yeah.
It was very cool watching you on TV.
I mean, yeah, it was pretty crazy. I was thinking about it yesterday only.
Really?
That when the first episode of the first season of MasterChef aired, I was probably 13 years old. Yeah. I was in 6th, 7th grade. Yeah. And there was this whole airing of कौन बनेगा करोड़पति in MasterChef. Like, एक के पीछे
एक के बाद है क्या?
And I would always wonder कि यार काश MasterChef किसी दिन जाने मिले. And my parents would always be like, हाँ एक बेटा तो स्मार्ट निकले जिसको KBC भेज दे हम लोग.
Their priorities were
They were
KBC
like,
चले जाओ.
बेटा तुम GK पढ़ के KBC चले जाओ. And I was like, I don't
हम
think I'm
MasterChef
smart
जाएंगे.
enough. Yeah. And then I think they would still agree, but they were always very dissuading of the fact that they would be like, हाँ घर पे बनाते हैं ठीक है. घर के बाहर लाया खाना नहीं बनाते तुम. You know? Like जब मैं बोलता था I want to do a restaurant, cafe or shop, हम घर वालों तक ठीक है तुम. You know, like
You don't do it like.
Yeah, don't do it professionally or you'll make a
Yeah.
fool out of yourself.
Yeah.
So yeah, MasterChef came through after a long time in my life, which is why I feel like sometimes thoughts, aspirations, dreams can stay at the back
100%.
of your mind
Yeah.
and still come true.
Yeah. And you're maybe subconsciously working towards it.
To be honest, I didn't ever think I'll go to MasterChef as a contestant after the last few years. I got a call and they were like, oh, would you like to participate? I said yes. And the rest is history.
I love it. I love it. Did you enjoy the whole experience?
Yeah. My ex-boss was a judge.
Oh, really?
So Pooja and I worked together. back in 2018.
Nice.
So when I saw her on the set, she saw me. We had this.
Like, sup?
Yeah. And then they were like, go back. Walk back inside and pretend like you guys
You don't know
each
each other.
And to be very honest, we both did know that we're going to be on the set because Pooja was a guest, was a surprise judge.
Mm-hmm.
And nobody would have imagined me going to MasterChef.
Yeah.
After the last couple of years that I have spent on a very specific journey.
Correct.
And MasterChef for me was a road not taken. I was like, आया है, कर लेते हैं. Because I'd manifested last year कि यार TV पे आना है, कुछ OTT करना है TV. And I've written it down.
Low.
Yeah. Phone के notes में, WhatsApp पे, फलाना. I've written it down. I've been like, जाऊँगा TV पे कुछ करूँगा, OTT पे कुछ करूँगा. And for me it was funnily always like Big Boss कर.
Big Boss OTT से कॉल आया क्या? आया था.
The chai is very good today.
Oh damn! I have really.
But I was warned, and
Yeah.
this conversation was disposed where my parents said, "We are cutting you out of the house if you go to Big Boss."
Oh. Huh.
And once my best friend and I had been offered one of these MTV dating shows, and we were like, "Bro, let's do it."
Oh damn!
Like, let's do it. Because they were like, आपको आना है, आपको इतने टाइम तक रहना है, ये वो. And my mom's like, वो लड़की है, उसकी लाइफ खराब हो जाएगी. Let's come back to this context. But yeah, I have been offered 2-3 other formats.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from MasterChef, there's only one show that I would do.
Mm-hmm.
The alternative of a dolphin fish tank.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. I think you'd be great at it. You think you'll walk out with a deal?
No.
Like, no, what?
Let's air this after the episode then goes out. See, I don't know how it'll go because I've never been there. Like, honestly, with MasterChef also, till I went there and I performed, I didn't know how well I would do.
Fair.
Because I'm used to very private spaces. Like my R&D kitchen, my factory, my production, my setup.
Your space.
It's my space. There, it's like
Kuch bhi.
everyone's running around, everyone's chaotic. Like there's so much like awaaz. There's a ticking clock in front of you.
And there's like this camera on your face and your lights. And
Yeah, cameras are around, yes. So it's a
pressure situation. It's like cooking in a pressure cooker.
Yeah, being cooked
Yeah,
in a
in a
pressure cooker.
cooker.
Is the right way. But yeah, that was MasterChef for me. Insane outcome in terms of audience. I had 200 people waiting outside my store the day my episode aired. Yeah, people had calmed down. People till today who watch the show fly down to come see me at the store.
Wow.
Diabetic kids' parents.
Oh my god.
People with diabetic parents, people who are off sugar, people who want to meet me, people who want to interact with me.
That's so cool.
We've had a bunch of kids who've resumed baking in their lives, who are diabetic, who had quit because of sugars.
Wow. That's amazing.
So that was some impact, yeah.
It really talks about the impact TV has till date, you know, and the sheer access. Also, you were great.
Thanks, yeah.
So many supporters, so many Reddit threads. So now, Conscious Mithai Wala and the Diabetic Chef, these are your two brands that you have pioneered, right?
Yeah.
When did these two kind of come about?
So I'll give you a little history and background,
Yes.
and then I'll give you context.
Yes.
So I started Diabetic Chef when I was in school.
Okay.
Because about 10th grade or something, I wanted to find a digital place where I could go and scream. Like, I just wanted to put it out there that, hey, life is shit, life is difficult. Yeah, so school is when it happened, and Diabetic Chef was an outlet for me. When I say online, what I mean is Diabetic Chef was a Facebook page. And back then, I'm talking about 2012, Facebook was a thing. Orkut was out, Instagram never showed up,
MySpace.
Snapchat didn't exist.
Yeah, MySpace was out.
Yeah. Most of these places were gone.
Yeah.
There was Bing, Blogspot, and
Correct.
Facebook.
Yeah.
And I was like, chalo, Facebook पे page बनाए. And I wanted to share recipes of what I was eating. तब यार concept ही नहीं था diabetic food का.
Yeah.
People didn't know what the hell was
Yeah.
diabetic friendly food.
Yeah.
And we couldn't imagine or fathom what a dessert would entail at least.
Correct.
So yeah, that was the deal with Diabetic Chef. And one day I went to school. I used to make food and go to school. Like I used to cook my own tiffins very randomly because it was the cool thing to do to make new friends. Because I was a bit of a loner in school, in my own space and zone,
Yeah.
obese kid. Like, what's your deal?
Yeah.
Types. So one girl from my classroom came up and she's like, "Oh, so तुम diabetic हो, तुम chef बनना चाहते हो? Who are you, a diabetic chef?" And I said, it sounds like it has a
catchy.
yeah, it sounds
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
तभी catchy ring to it कुछ नहीं था ना, तब स्कूल में थे हम. तो I was like, चलो नाम तो अच्छा है, कुछ होगा तो बदल लेंगे. blog name है.
Correct.
Who would have thought? So I was like, चलो नाम रख लेते. The page was first called Confessions of a Foodaholic.
Oh.
Changed it to a diabetic
chef.
Stayed continued as a blog for a while. Then I started writing more. I don't know, some cupcake post of mine went viral. I had 2.5 lakh likes on Facebook
What?
organically.
Wow.
Organic ही होता है तब
Of
तो
course,
थोड़ी
तब
credit
तो-
card था.
Exactly.
Some 10 million impressions on one of my recipes.
Damn.
We had shot up
Yeah, I can imagine.
considerably. The followers had gone up. Australia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, US, UK.
Everywhere.
People were just writing in,
Wow.
pouring in love,
So sweet.
and they were like, "Please continue what you're doing."
Yeah. This was in
And
2012?
2013,
13-ish.
13 के
हाँ.
टाइम पे 2013 only probably. And I was like, अरे इतने लोग तो मैंने कभी सुने ही नहीं थे, exist करते हैं, ये कहाँ से आ गए, what is this new whatever
World.
this is.
Yeah.
हाँ. And I remember people would write to me in different languages,
Oh.
like in their languages.
Correct.
Can you make this? तो ये हमारा suppose local regional whatever है, तो उसको
Correct.
बना के दो.
Translate that.
And then that became into the teaching I used to do, like teaching cakes from the
Correct.
page to that.
Correct.
And then people were like, can you make it and sell it to us? तो वो बॉम्बे लेवल पे हुआ.
हाँ.
Then मैं कॉलेज चला गया. कॉलेज गया तो वहाँ पर लोगों को पता चला कि यार
Yeah.
कॉलेज में फर्स्ट ईयर इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स का स्टूडेंट है जिसको खाना बनाने आता है.
There तो
इट वाज
Top
लाइक
level
लेट्स
cred.
डू इट. तो एक दिन सीनियर्स आ गए घर पे, तो कुछ बना के खिलाओ.
Of course.
40 सीनियर्स एक साथ एक घर में.
Damn.
एंड लाइक ऐसे चिपक के बैठे, कोई वहां से वहां, कोई नीचे गद्दी लगा के बैठा है, कोई यहाँ वहाँ हॉल में. आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू, सो आई मेड कपकेक्स फॉर एवरीवन. देयर वाज 2 बैचेस एंड एवरीवनस लाइक, भाई
यही है.
ये कॉलेज फेस्ट में लगाओ. एंड दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड फॉर मी फॉर डायबिटिक शेफ.
Nice.
देन आई वेंट ऑन टू मेकिंग क्लोज टू 1 लाख अ मंथ इन कॉलेज.
Oh damn.
घर से 16,000 रुपए आते थे.
ये अच्छा है यार कपकेक बिजनेस.
कपकेक, ब्राउनीज. It was very convenient for me because तभी food cost was not as much. मुझे थोड़ी मालूम था तभी कि
इतना.
and I would never sell it as diabetic friendly. I would call it sugar free only.
Sugar free. Yeah.
वही मैदा, वही बटर,
वही.
सब कुछ. And then I was like, यार 25 रुपए में ब्राउनी बनती, मैं तो 125 में बेचता हूँ.
Yeah.
And to make about 1 lakh of rupees, I had to sell only so much.
Exactly.
1000 brownies spread over 30 days.
That's
Was nothing.
Yeah. And for a college kid, 1 lakh
हाँ.
that's massive.
हाँ, मतलब अगर हाथ में भी 60-70,000 आते थे.
फिर भी यार.
मैंने तो ब्रांड्स कभी सुने नहीं थे, वहां जाके शॉपिंग करता था मैं. Like I still don't have the guts honestly to go to Superdry and do shopping. कॉलेज में अलग ही चुल थी. I remember मैंने एक बार Superdry में घुस के 23,000 की जैकेट. I still have it. You know those fluffy jackets?
Yeah.
जो से puff हो जाती है.
Yeah.
Puff.
बॉम्बे में कहाँ पहन के घूम.
पुणे. Wait.
पुणे. Sorry.
Pune is also Pune only. ऐसे जरूरत थोड़ी है.
Exactly. पफो जैकेट की तो बिल्कुल
And
नहीं.
like full यहाँ से यहाँ तक puffer and then like, and I was like really thin that time. So I would look good in everything I would wear. Now I'm just finding it so difficult to like style myself up. हाँ तो कुछ भी पहन के. And this is because I used to work with a pub back then,
हाँ.
where every Tuesday or Saturday, because they had a liquor license, I could sell brownies with alcohol in it.
Oh, even better.
So that would make me $250 a piece.
Of course.
पैसा था, savings का concept तभी भी नहीं था, अभी भी नहीं है.
Bad advice. Please don't listen to this.
Never listen to me about financial advice. And then I would just, at one point, I was like, घर वाले तो allow नहीं करने वाले. So that's another story altogether. So yeah, that happened last semester of college. I dropped out. And then I was like, अब क्या करूँ? घर आना है वापस.
Yeah.
Parents were very against me baking, cooking. They were like, हमारी economics की डिग्री ये इसके खाना बनाने के पीछे खराब हुई है,
खराब हुई।
अब खाना बनाने ही नहीं देंगे।
अरे अरे अरे।
सो दैट हैपेंड। फिर कंसल्टिंग चल रहा था मेरा काफ़ी टाइम तक, ब्रांड कंसल्टेंसी। यू सी द ब्रांड्स आई बिल्ट बाय मी,
नाइस।
name, brand logo,
Yeah.
tagline, blah blah blah.
All of that
I've
is-
consulted 40 brands to
Oh,
build,
wow.
make brands what they are.
Yeah.
Then to Diwali's back, I was sitting with sales
Mm-hmm.
and I was like, why aren't people buying chocolates?
Hmm.
It's Diwali.
Hmm.
Almost 1.5 year of lockdown निकला था.
Because दिवाली पे लोग मिठाई खरीदते हैं।
Wait, no.
No?
That year one of the HRs said,
Hmm.
this year we don't want to gift any edible items.
Huh?
I was like, what do you mean? He's
दिवाली
like, हमें थर्मस देना है, लैपटॉप स्टैंड देना है, फ्लास्क देना है,
मग देना।
मग देना, मग
Diary.
नहीं, मग तो ठीक है, नहीं, दिस वाज एक्सपेंसिव गुड वंस,
अच्छा।
लाइक थर्मोस्टैट,
अच्छा
like
like the
घर में रखने लायक, क्योंकि
हाँ।
अब उनके एम्प्लॉयज वापस लॉकडाउन में रहने वाले थे.
oh
आई वाज लाइक, अब मैं क्या करूं?
yeah
दूसरा बोलता है हम चॉकलेट नहीं देंगे, तीसरा बोलता है महंगी चॉकलेट नहीं देंगे. आई वाज लाइक, मैं करूं तो क्या करूं?
yeah
मेरी पूरी दिवाली चली गई.
correct
If I would make 20-25 lakhs on like massive orders, still stretching it a lot. चल 10-15 lakhs पकड़ लेता हूँ Diwali sale for chocolates.
correct
That Diwali we did 1,20,000, 1,30,000.
wow
And I said,
that's a
fuck,
yeah
because Diwali is a food brand's Diwali.
दिवाली दिवाली पे दिवाला निकल गया ये वाले तो
And I was like, अब salaries कैसे भरूँ मैं?
correct
Credit card bill आएगा. मेरे drawings तो होते ही नहीं थे तभी. क्या करूँ? ठीक है. I started thinking. I was like, अब क्या बेचूँ साथ में? तो हम लोग थोड़ी मिठाई विठाई देखेंगे, दिवाली पे बिकेगी. सो अक्टूबर नवंबर हो गया, अब दिसंबर टू जून इश, दिस वाज लाइक अ थॉट इन माय हेड, कुछ करूँगा. मैं स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग. रिसर्च करते करते दूसरी दिवाली आ गई. अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं क्या करूँ? तो मैंने सोचा कि आई सेल इट विद एन अप्रोच ऑफ अ स्वीटनर, कि मेक योर ओन मिठाई.
okay
तब तक मैंने किताब लिख दी, अल्टीमेट शुगर फ्री डेजर्ट्स,
yeah
एंड दैट हैड हाफ मिठाई, हाफ
half
फ्रेंच पेस्ट्री, अमेरिकन
yeah.
पेस्ट्री, जो भी टार्ट्स. दैट सोल्ड वेरी वेल.
hmm
Not clearly numbers, but we sold about 10,000 books in that period of time.
damn that's
And
that's
it's an
amazing.
expensive book.
yeah
So with the whole diabetes angle, that Diwali, I was like, chalo, book तो बिकी. And then I was like, but book commission 6% होता है. क्या कमाया मैंने? I was like, I'm not wasting another Diwali.
yeah
I said, चलो
हम मिठाई भी
bag-
बनाएंगे
हम बैग लेके निकलते. नहीं, बनाना तो मेरे पास
अच्छा
करना ही नहीं है.
था ही नहीं अच्छा
I started finding factories.
ओके
I was like, मैं ऐसी फैक्ट्री ढूंढूंगा
हाँ
जो मुझे मिठाई पैक करके दे सकती है.
लवली
ऐसे मैं रेसिपी दूंगा प्रोप्राइटरी,
आप
तो बना
बना
और पैक करके मेरे को दे,
बेच।
मैं बेचूंगा.
करेक्ट
बट देन आई वाज इन स्प्लिट्स. शुड इट स्टिल बी कॉल्ड डायबिटिक शेफ? Should I call it something
something
else?
else
I have consulted so many brands.
yeah
Like these things should come to me like that. But जब खुद पे आता है ना, कंटेंट राइटिंग, क्रिएटिव प्रोसेसेस, खुद के लिए कर ही नहीं सकते. दूसरों के लिए करने तो ऐसे हो जाता है कि अरे वाह, लेट्स डू दिस, लेट्स
so
डू दैट.
many ideas flowing everywhere
Yeah. I sat down with a notebook and pen. I'm not kidding. I came up with 63 brand names. I still have it.
63
Yeah. It's an exercise.
nice
PNC करते ना, आपको तो मालूम होगा, permutation combination. So I wrote 20 or 20 there.
damn
Left, right, matching columns.
damn
And then I think those are, भाई इसमें chat GPT था,
था ना
हमको मालूम नहीं
but
था.
very basic
तो I didn't know about it then.
हाँ.
So I didn't know what chat GPT was. तो अपने ही गूगल पे जाके synonyms of this,
हाँ,
similar
हाँ,
names of this,
हाँ.
antonyms of this, फलाना करके
करके
कुछ तो
finally
निकला, and I didn't like it.
अच्छा
And then I was like, चलो लोगों से पूछते हैं.
okay
Now the worst thing to do as a brand owner,
is to ask 50 people I know
I found that. I'm like, bro,
Yeah.
why are you so negative?
yeah
Like तुम्हें, I feel only one thing, like हाँ ठीक है, constructive criticism is good, but don't tell me things like, no, I don't think it will work. अरे तुमको पूछा क्या it will work or not? I just asked you, is it a good name? Does it have a catch recall? And they're like, no, what if it works like Diabetic Chef? I said, more than happy.
Exactly.
I'll become an international sensation if it works like Diabetic Chef, because I
Exactly.
did Diabetic Chef with no background,
Exactly.
no base, no bottom line, nothing. I would do conscious mithai wala with something. So someone's like, call it keto chef, call it
But-
the Indian sweet guy. I said, listen, Brijwasi is Brijwasi, Tiwari is Tiwari,
Exactly.
Haldiram is Haldiram,
Haldiram.
Bikaji is Bikaji. And they're like, then make it Kedia mithai wala. I said, no, मैं घी थोड़ी बेच रहा हूँ.
Correct.
I said, मैं घी नहीं बेच रहा, I'm selling an emotion.
Yeah.
They're like, then keep it under Diabetic Chef. I said, that's also a very good idea.
Yeah.
I went to investors.
Mm.
Known people. VC space. I said, अच्छा सुन ना bro.
Mm.
मेरे को ये करने का है. What do you think?
Mm.
Keep them separate.
Arre.
I said, it's a good idea, but how will I manage?
Mm.
That you'll have to see, but you have to keep them separate. I said, why?
Mm.
They're like, a Diabetic Chef sounds exotic.
Yeah.
When people buy mithai, they don't want to go to an exotic
Person.
person.
उनको
Brand.
मिठाई वाला चाहिए.
उनको मिठाई वाला चाहिए. So I said, then I should call it healthy halwai. And they're like, but when you call it halwai, it's restrictive to mithai. You'll never be able to do snacks. And they're like, the word halwai is a negative connotation. I said, but I don't want to leave healthy halwai as a term. So that became my designation in the company. I said, whatever the company is, I'll be calling myself the healthy halwai.
I love it. Yeah.
And that's my LinkedIn updated thing also. It's healthy halwai at conscious mithai
Conscious
wala.
मिठाई वाला.
बहुत सोच विचार किया, बट हम है कि आप नहीं सुन के I kept it at conscious मिठाई वाला.
But that's what matters, right? Like when you're, yes, there is a certain level of R&D that you can do for your customers in terms of your product or in terms of what you're trying to sell to them. When it comes to branding or the name, etc., too many opinions may not work because you have to go with what feels right for you and your brand. Because सबके दिमाग में नहीं आता है ये.
Imagine an architect.
Yeah.
Architect तो चलो फिर भी थोड़ा creative हो जाता है. Anything. Without offending
अरे यार
listeners.
नेम फिन कॉकटेल जब चालू किया था half of the people were like कि ये कैसा नाम हुआ. It's
And they follow you.
yeah, and then when it does what it's supposed to do, then the story makes sense behind the name, and then the name makes sense to them. Then they start kind of understanding where it came from.
That's the very beautiful quote.
Yeah.
Don't find customers for your products.
Yeah.
Find products for your customers.
Yeah.
I know कि मेरा एक टारगेट ऑडियंस है. मेरे को मालूम है उनको क्या चाहिए.
Correct.
अब मेरे को प्रोडक्ट देने का है. People, and in a conversation earlier today only, I was talking to one of my vendors and he said कि हर्ष भाई, आप प्रोडक्ट कितना भी सुंदर बनाओ, ब्रांड नेम कितना भी सही रखो, बट अगर प्रोडक्ट सॉलिड है ना तो लोग वापस आके खरीदेंगे. दूसरी तो तीसरी बार.
100%.
आपको अगर कस्टमर को रखना है तो आपका प्रोडक्ट सॉलिड होना चाहिए.
Correct.
सो आई सेड करेक्ट. अब मैं हेल्दी हलवाई बोलूं, कॉन्शियस मिठाई वाला की
क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Correct.
एंड देन आई वांटेड टू टेक द D2C स्पेस. आई वाज लाइक, इसमें तो कोई है ही नहीं, चलो ये करते हैं. But to survive in D2C, I realized I need at least 3 crores extra capital.
Really?
Yeah. I'll tell you why. Tupperware as a brand, how long do you think people took to replace them? How many years, if not decades?
No, I don't know this.
For example, we're in 2020, no, we're in 2008.
Yeah.
I have bought Tupperware. Will I switch to another brand if I'm buying Tupperware?
No.
You just keep buying Tupperware,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. You replace the old Tupperware with the new
With
Tupperware.
new Tupperware.
Yes,
And you
yes.
keep going on at it.
Yeah, yeah.
Tupperware घुमा तो मार पड़ेगी.
Correct.
Correct?
Oh, mama.
Yeah, school
खुदा ना करे.
School tiffins, right? It took a long time for people to replace Tupperware.
Yes.
And it's a household name.
Yeah.
Similarly, if I have to get on head with a Haldiram to replace Haldiram's mithai,
It has to be
it is a process.
massive process.
Especially for me to convince someone with diabetes कि यार ये sugar free actually यार healthy है, खा लो.
Correct.
लोग believe कर लेंगे.
Yeah. But
For someone else, like a brand altogether to come in, because I was still not sure if I want to be the face of Conscious Mithai Wala or I wanted to be an anonymous brand.
which is just मिठाई वाला.
Which is just a Mithai Wala brand. अब वो trust building के लिए, lab testing के लिए, reports बनवाने के लिए,
Whatever. हाँ.
लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए, channels create करने के लिए, because the mithai still would have a 30-day shelf life.
Yeah.
Most retailers would not buy it.
Yeah.
they'd be like नहीं हमको नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि 30 दिन में तो हम
परवड़ेगा
expiry
नहीं.
करेक्ट
Yeah,
4 दिन पहुंचने का 4 दिन रिटर्न का 8 दिन
Finished.
चले गए 22 दिन बचे हैं
exactly.
तुम 30% मार्जिन दोगे वेस्टेज
Correct.
होगा हमारे पर नहीं चाहिए हम तुमको दे
Exactly.
देंगे
Exactly.
कोई आया तो आया नहीं आया तो
नहीं आया
आया
तो नहीं आया.
तो it's gone
Yeah.
so to work around that model I needed a machine
Hmm.
that machine would have costed me close to 40 lakhs just to increase the shelf life of a particular kind of products
Not blanket all
not
the
a blanket
products.
no a liquid would require differently a milk
A
product
milk
would be
product.
different a dry fruit product would be different
Hi. Stress is happening.
stress is happening
Yeah.
and you obviously know that the return on investments in online buying is extremely expensive
Yeah. It's become expensive.
so मुझे स्वाहा करके 10 लाख रुपया महीना तो सिर्फ ब्रांड अवेयरनेस में डालना है
Correct.
फिर जब आप मिठाई बनाओगे
Hmm.
तो पाव किलो थोड़ी बनाओगे
Correct. किलोज में बनेगी.
किलोज में बनेगी और अगर आप मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास जाओगे तो आप थोड़ी बोलोगे भाई मुझे 10 किलो महीने का चाहिए वो तो बोलेगा 200 किलो बनाओ
Correct.
इन्वेंट्री मशीनरी पैकेजिंग मीडिया मार्केटिंग एडवर्टाइजिंग
Transport,
फाइनेंस ट्रांसपोर्ट लॉजिस्टिक्स वेस्टेज
Yeah.
मैनेजमेंट
see
का
the-
एमबीए हो गया
Yeah.
मिठाई में और ये सीखा हमने 3 साल डायबिटिक अभी 4.5 साल डायबिटिक शेफ में
ये लो MBA तो आप करके बैठे हो.
पढ़ना है आगे पढ़ना है
हाँ.
if any college directors are looking if you're from the IIMs I will come and join or ISB hi sir how are you doing I've taught at
सीधे बैठ गया वो.
I've given a lecture at ISB by the way
Oh really?
ISB Hyderabad yeah
Nice.
I was 22 that time
Oh damn.
and the average
son.
class age was 28
I was gonna say, I was like the average
Yeah,
age would be
they were much
higher.
older than me so I was like hey
Sup, guys?
what's up guys how's it going but I think genuinely it was the best experience of my life so far
Oh.
fantastic so yes तो हो गया अभी
हाँ.
conscious का एक scene अब how I met my partners in business was another thing but I went to meet one vendor vendor meeting से थक हार के मैं आया I went to my favorite place for puchka which is Calcutta Pani Puri
Yeah.
this guy was standing there who I had been acquainted with because I'd gone to him to sell chocolates at their store
अच्छा.
they called Sri Gangor Sweets
Uh-huh.
so I went to him and I was like यार मिठाई टेस्ट करके बता कैसी है he ate it and he's like भाई बहुत खराब है and I was like मेरे को मार्केट में उतारनी अगले हफ्ता he's like अगर थोड़ा रोक सकता है ब्रांड को रोक ले
Oh damn. Okay.
2 हफ्ते निकल गए I'm like भाई कुछ जवाब तो दे
हाँ.
he's like कल आ जाना शाम को मैं खिलाता हूँ कुछ 2 तरह की काजू कतली पड़ी थी he's like काजू कतली इज द बेस ऑफ ऑल मिठाई
हाँ.
काजू कतली बनी तो सब बन जाएगा I said ठीक है
Okay.
अब he's like ये तो टेस्ट कर I said भाई शुगर बढ़े आती है ये हो जाता है he's like खा के देख कुछ नहीं होगा हमारे घर में भी डायबिटिक लोग हैं
Hmm.
स्ट्रेस
Full.
मैंने खाई एक फिर खाई दूसरी मैंने बोला एक अच्छी है एक खराब है बोलता है दोनों शुगर फ्री है I said ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है he's like दोनों शुगर फ्री है
Damn.
he's like तुम जो लाए थे वर्सेस ये कितना फर्क है
हाँ.
I said भाई जमीन और आसमान not even 19-20
जमीन आसमान
this
एकदम.
is 10-20
ओहो.
I was like पॉसिबल ही नहीं है शुगर फ्री I said रिपोर्ट निकलवाऊंगा
हाँ.
he gave me half kg मैंने रिपोर्ट बनवाई
And it was actually sugar
it
free.
was actually sugar free I said यार हाथ में हाथ मिला के काम करते हैं but I wanted some time
Correct.
it took us 4.5 months of R&D
Hmm.
we did 3 times of Diabetic Chef's first year of revenue in 6 months
Damn.
I made money I made name
Low.
we haven't paid one influencer a penny
Because like you said, right, product अच्छा है, लोग आएंगे, simple.
and market में competition नहीं
है ही नहीं.
क्यों क्योंकि आए और छोड़ के चले गए वो
क्यों? Why do you think so? Because there is
trust is very important
Hmm.
trust and truth these are the 2 T's in marketing I feel marketing selling जो भी बोलो
Hmm.
trust and truthfulness
Hmm.
trust is what you build with your customers
Hmm.
and truthfulness is what you have inside you.
Inside.
For me all I have done in my entire career is build trust
Yeah.
and truthfulness is because I would never lie to myself and when the customer says खा के दिखाओ
Hmm.
मैं तो कड़ा खा जाता हूँ मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता and I'm mostly wearing a CGM which is
Yeah.
attached to measure glucose levels
Correct. So they know.
अब वो बोलेगा 15 मिनट में चेक करो
ले.
मैं बोले ले देख तो they are tripped they are like no this is real
Yeah.
and I have like gym bros keto bros
Everyone eating the
doctors
mithai.
I have doctors and nutritionists I have parents of diabetic kids who come to me and they're like हमने टेस्ट किया है
Hmm. And it.
so I didn't have to go to a hospital lab to do any testing apart from my sweetener
Yeah.
I have my audience as my endorsers 7 months 0 ad spends
Damn.
7 months, 0 PR. Word of mouth. We are doing 2x of our first month revenue now.
लो
स्विगी जोमेटो अभी चालू किया लास्ट मंथ. उसके पहले लोगों को था हाय कॉन्शियस मिठाई वाला, आप मिठाई घर पे भेज दो. नहीं मैम, आके लेना पड़ेगा. नॉट आउट ऑफ कॉनीनेस,
just because नहीं
like,
है
नहीं
लोग
होगा भाई, तुम
ये-
100 रुपए की मिठाई लेने आओ,
exactly
तुम 5,000 की भी लेने आओ.
correct.
The process is so set.
I love it.
Yeah, and running a modern age business with traditional values
Yes.
is bang on.
I think that is so true, because I was talking to Arjun about this a few weeks ago. We were talking about how there was this phase where India started accepting all these westernized things
Yeah.
in the beginning, right? Like suddenly hamara dal bhat chak roti kind of went out of the window and we started eating pizzas
coming
and
back
burgers and
hard.
this and that. Yes, exactly. It's coming back hard. Businesses are bringing back traditional cookware, traditional ways of making.
Bro,
It's
Bro.
crazy.
my most recent brand deal,
Yeah.
you will be very surprised. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you.
No, that's
But
fine.
it's a Brazilian cookware brand.
Uh-huh.
They're coming to India.
हाँ.
They said कि हम कुछ सामान ला रहे हैं. We're bringing some stuff to India. A Brazilian brand brings biryani kadhai. I'm not joking, and it's food for thought
Yeah.
that they have
Yeah.
brought it for India
Yep.
and started retailing it in the European markets for the convenience of cooking. And इसमें बाहर का पीतल है. What is पीतल?
अपना है bro.
पीतल is ours.
Yeah.
Cast iron.
Cast iron is तो मतलब
We've
पड़ा है अभी.
अपने
Kitchen.
घरों में वही देखा है हमने.
Exactly.
जो पीतल और कास्ट आयरन का जो कुकिंग टाइम है, and to keep them the way they are is towards smoking of the food.
Yeah.
Smoking of the food was done to reduce calorific value,
Yeah.
and it's being done for hundreds and thousands of years,
Yeah.
and that was done to avoid cancer causing
Correct.
particles entering your food. That happened when our food and the equipment got bastardized. That happened when non-stick came in. That happened when a lot of things came in, and we had forgotten that we already have it.
Correct.
So if international brands have adopted cookware from us and they're selling it back to us, we need to realize that that 5,000 rupees ka kadhai is available in the rural parts of Rajasthan, Indore, everywhere.
जाके
for
अब
1,000
ले
bucks.
आओ से मतलब पास में
Yeah.
ही मिल जाएगा.
Not everything, of course.
Yeah, but-
there are parts of it, like there's one biryani kadhai. I love this content creator. I won't call her my friend, but I like her like as an acquaintance with what she does. She has this series where she makes biryanis. It's called Biryanis of India. Her name is Natasha.
Oh, fun.
Bro, same format, same video, different clothes, different biryani, same कढ़ाई. वही एक कढ़ाई है जो जब ऐसे लाके रखती है, वो
It
कढ़ाई
looks-
को देख के और just like wow. But वो हमारे परंपराओं की
forgotten.
है.
Yeah,
We
but
have
we've
forgotten.
forgotten.
क्योंकि उसमें 40 लोग का खाना बनता था.
And we have only forgotten all this non-stick kind of putting in micro plastics in our food and kind of ingesting it. उससे अच्छा you just use your cast iron.
एक बात बताओ मुझे.
हाँ.
Very normal question.
Yes.
Why do you think our households adopted plastic cutting boards?
Great question. I do not know.
Neither do I. Why did we do it?
I don't know. I have no
हमारे घरों में तो
There was
ग्रेनाइट मार्बल्स वगैरह
granite,
होते
exactly,
थे.
stone. Yeah.
उस पे कटिंग होती थी, चॉपिंग होती थी.
Yeah.
आप थोड़े और रूरल पार्ट्स में चले जाओ, कश्मीर वगैरह चले जाओ, आज भी वुडन प्लैंक्स प्लेट्स पे
Yeah.
होती है.
We had
Where
that.
did the plastic come from?
I have no idea. That's a great question, because we
Price.
had this thing called so in Marathi,
Maharashtra, yeah. I know
veedi
what it is.
म्हणतात
Yeah,
त्याला.
yeah.
So it's
Oh.
that coconut you can
Yeah,
kind of this
yeah.
thing on it,
And
and
you can use it to chop also.
yeah, you can use it to chop. Like my grandmother used to chop it on that. Like she doesn't know how to kind of use a knife. She's not comfortable with a knife and a cutting board. She's like, ये क्या होता है?
Like, you get what I mean?
Exactly.
Plastic came in as
I need to
a
make some changes in
cheaper
the
substitute.
house. Yeah.
Like, I got called out on a
Yeah?
very random brand collab.
Yeah.
And you know, these things are not consciously there. Like, I caught you off guard when I asked you randomly about plastic.
Yeah.
So you just don't realize you're doing it. I was cooking something, I was making something,
Correct.
and tuk, 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 tuk.
And they're
This
like,
one follow goes like,
why are you using
do you
plastic?
know the amount of microplastics, nanoplastics, not even
Nano.
micro, nanoplastics that go in your food? And like, I don't know. And then I politely messaged, I was like, hey, like, this can be done on a DM.
Hmm.
No, look at the number of scratches on your plastic board. And then I picked it up. I was like, fuck, dude. Tuk, 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 tuk,
Yeah.
tuk, 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 tuk. And I was like,
Exactly. And all of that has gone inside our stomach.
yeah.
Oh, scary as hell.
फिर उसने बोला वुडन खरीदो.
Yeah.
I was like, वुडन का क्या करूँ? बोलती take your knife.
Huh.
Even as a chef, I don't know everything.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, क्या करूँ मैं?
Obviously.
तो बोलते take your sharpest knife and उसको घसो उस पे
Hmm.
and then wash it. I was like, चलो करके देखते हैं.
Hmm.
इतने wooden particles जब निकले. And if you buy a new wooden boat, never run your hand like that on it. You'll get cuts.
Yeah, splinters. Yeah.
You're supposed to cut it. You're supposed to wash it, proof it. And she's like, now imagine what your plastic was doing to you.
I'm a little like shocked.
But yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
So bringing back
Exactly.
traditional ways
Yeah.
is the way forward.
The best example that I've heard of this kind of westernization of Indian culture has been Lululemon. So Lululemon kind of commercialized yoga and yoga wear. What happened was yoga has always been a part of our heritage.
Yeah.
Now the Americans discovered it, or whatever, the Western side discovered it, packaged it, commercialized it, and now selling like all this yoga wear and mats and this and that.
Turmeric latte.
Turmeric chai tea latte. I'm like,
What the fuck?
Exactly.
Are you kidding me?
And then this yoga mat situation, and then yeah, it's literally like
Ashwagandha. I'm like, bro.
ashwagandha.
Gujarati mein hota hai, Uganda. Like, what the hell? What the hell are you guys doing?
Exactly.
They have really ripped it off. And by the way, the patent for yoga is with someone in the US.
Exactly. That's what my point is. That there cannot be a patent for yoga. It's been
It's
like
an ancient practice.
Exactly. We really lost our own selves to these Western things, and now finally I think it's
They're
coming
coming
back.
Yeah.
But yeah, they need to come back a little stronger. And from our own things, I don't need a Brazilian company to sell me my own
They
things.
pay me money, guys. We can't do this.
Exactly.
They're giving me like mere.
नहीं, आप
trust
कर
me,
लो.
dream knives. Sunday ko I will show it to you.
Done.
I'm not joking. Like, I've never been able to cut a cucumber. I have
So well.
listen. No. काकड़ी काटते हैं अपन
Correct.
सैंडविच वगैरह के लिए
Correct.
नॉर्मल काकड़ी कटी ना
हाँ.
इसमें इतनी पतली कटती you can see through it. I'm not joking.
No.
So in bread we call proofing the bread
हाँ.
where it's called window. So when you stretch the bread and you can see through it, that's the
Yeah.
only time that particular bread has done well.
हाँ.
काकड़ी में ऐसे देख रहा था मैं बोला भाई ये क्या है?
Wow.
Yeah, and like ऐसा भी नहीं कि
Like very. हाँ.
तो क्या
Just
ऐसा
like
ऐसा
once.
ऐसा.
Oh damn.
And this is not just with a chef knife, this is with all their knives. Like the
Yeah?
collection.
लेना पड़ेगा.
But banging.
But
Worth
with
it.
a different-
Not very expensive.
But with a different cutting
But
board.
when you come, yeah, please. Like, but if I have 3-4 sets, you come on Sunday, if you like something, I say, bag में डाल के लेके जाना. No,
It's like, where did it go? I don't know.
no. वो उनके टीम वाले आएंगे मैं बोल दूंगा कि
It's gone.
cut. But yeah, westernized
Yeah, these things are coming
borrowings
back.
have become
Correct.
stealing.
Correct.
First the British did it, now the Americans are doing it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll share something very funny with you
Share
because
me.
we're talking about
Yeah.
stealing, not borrowing. Whenever you get time,
Yes.
go and Google the Diabetic Chef US.
No. No. Arey.
Not one but two. One was running a page जो मेरे followers ने mass report
Of
करके
course.
निकलवा दिया.
Of course.
The other one was a brand that started and shut. But now what I do is when people who are chefs with diabetes or whatever, let's not call it a generic term. It is a very specific term.
Correct.
Now when people have borrowed the name and used, I am happy. Why? My SEO goes up.
Yeah.
My website SEO goes up. I'm like,
Correct.
so
Very
now
good.
when Google आता है ना alerts, Google alerts चालू है मेरा. I'm very self-obsessed like that. I'm like, oh, diabetic chef is a Google alert. So the minute someone says diabetic and chef, my website ranking goes up.
Best.
I backlink it.
No problem.
I'm like, करो ना. मेरे को कोई
Exactly.
problem नहीं है.
SEO बढ़ेगा हमारा.
So yeah, people steal.
Yeah, that's the nature of things. As an entrepreneur, you have to deal with it because there are going to be copies, there are going to be, imitations, and imitation is the best form of flattery sometimes. Sometimes, not most times.
Yeah, cause gandhi copy is also a thing. There's a very popular brand that has ripped off our chocolates.
Oh, really?
Yeah. packaging to product.
Everything.
Dirty job they've done.
Yeah.
Like the chocolate tastes like ashen soot.
Arey,
I know you watch all my posts. I hope you see this too. We ordered it in office that day. My partner did. He's like, bro, let's taste. Partner from Conscious. He's like, bro, let's at least taste what the competition is like. I said, this looks like my product.
It is not my product.
The branding is like my product. It's rejected. Why do you want to taste it? He's like, let's try it out. I said, what's the sweetener? He's like, dates or something. I said, then it's not sugar free.
Correct. Natural sugar is still sugar.
Let's try it. I was like, okay, kholo, khaya. I never disrespect food. It's a thing. But something
It's bad. It's just bad.
Like imagine wasabi on banana chips.
I'm good.
That's it. So,
What was this, like even recently this war on sugar that's going on, which is kind of escalated a little bit on social media. I'm all for, kind of spreading the knowledge, making sure that people understand the effects that sugar has on you. But is it getting out of hand, or were we so kind of
Unaware.
ignorant before that everybody got away with it for so long?
you might want to sit with popcorn or chips for this one.
Okay.
But क्या होता है हमारे देश में ना extremism is a very serious religious practice. Like people are fucking extremists
that
no
is
matter
true.
what, and it's not a new thing.
It's not.
It's a €100 practice. Extremism is a thing. People are just like,
इस पार या उस
they were
पार.
like, I worship you or I fuck you. Like there's no middle ground. Like they don't want to understand that there can be neutrality.
Correct. People can coexist.
Yeah,
People.
let them do what they're doing. And it's coming from someone with diabetes. I have a non-diabetic brother and bhabhi. They like their white sugar as much as they like it in certain things.
Yeah.
अब मैं थोड़ी उनके गला पकड़ के बोलूंगा निकाल उतार खा मत. My bhabhi comes from a Gujarati house.
Oh.
Touch wood, they're healthy. No,
Yeah.
nobody has diabetes. She
Yeah.
is absolutely fine. वो गुड़ घी के साथ खाती है खाना कभी कभी. पसंद है तो खाओ.
Yeah.
मैं थोड़ी तेरी प्लेट में हाथ डाल के निकालूंगा bro. This is the problem. You want to have something, you have something. You don't know about something and you're having it is different.
Correct.
But if you're aware and having something, just
It's
enjoy
okay.
it.
Yeah.
तुम्हें क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि वो अपने घर में क्या खा रहा है या खा रही है. You know, like
Yeah.
I have friends who run the unhealthiest food brands.
Mm-hmm.
But unhealthy is relative.
Yeah.
I will, as an individual, not consume something which does not mean it's bad for everyone.
Yeah. Fair.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I will talk about the harms of certain foods specific to certain audiences
Correct.
who are unaware.
Yeah.
You know, when I talk about the perils of consuming jaggery or honey, I will always say, did you know this?
Yeah. Did you know that that is still natural
can do
sugar?
this.
Yes, this can do this.
What you get is not right.
Yeah.
There was a video that I had posted that spoke very clearly about sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, jaggery.
Yeah,
one
yeah.
family,
I've seen that.
honey, maple syrup, whatever.
Yeah, in another.
You can have what you want to have.
Yeah.
Let people live. Like this whole, let's talk about the dairy milk issue. People crushed Mondelez down to the T, saying that, oh, palm oil, oh, sugar, oh, that. तुम्हें मालूम है कोको के प्राइसेस क्या है?
Yeah. कैसे बनाएंगे?
5 रुपए में कैसे बेचेगा और कुछ?
चांस ही नहीं है.
और जो गरीब घर से है उसका एक इंडल्जेंट प्रैक्टिस है जो एक्लेयर या डेयरी मिल्क होगा.
Yeah.
तुम उससे वो भी छीन लोगे. तुम्हें मालूम है नहीं अच्छा लगता है तो मत खाओ.
Yeah. Fair.
You don't like something, don't eat it. How is an individual or a brand supposed to sell something for 10 rupees without palm oil or whatever they do?
Yeah, I mean, it's
It's a trade practice. Fair unfair is relative.
correct.
Correct? अब जो ये मैसेज पास ऑन कर रहा है वो जानता है मत खाओ, बताओ, प्रोफेस करो, लोगों को फोर्स मत करो. मैं कभी किसी के घर में जाके चीनी लेके फेंक नहीं देता हूँ ना. ए चीनी फेंक. नहीं ब्रो, डू व्हाट द फक यू वांट टू डू. I will give you an option.
Yeah.
This is an option. This is available. You can use it.
You can
not
use
use
it.
it.
Yeah.
I feel it's very stupid. I feel sometimes I go ballistic. But that's the people I know I love
Yeah.
who know what they're doing, who are not allowed to. The way I would talk to my father to not let him have sugar versus the way I would tell my brother to not suggestively have it is very different.
Yeah, of course.
You have a condition, don't do it.
Don't do it.
You don't have a condition, you have the choice of not doing it.
Correct.
So yeah, it's like mutual funds, subjected to market risk. You know it exists. You know it's
Yes.
good.
Yes.
You have the money, you do it. You don't have the money, you
Yes.
don't do it.
Yes.
If you know it's good and you're not doing it, it's a choice.
Yes. You're losing out because it's a choice that you have chosen for yourself. It's okay.
It's a trade-off.
Correct.
A lot of families have a trade-off between medicines for a sick person and buying food for the house.
Yeah, that is true.
I'll give a straight-up example of someone with diabetes. Living in India, average cost of living with diabetes is 12,000 to 15,000. My conclusion statement is a lot of family incomes have a cumulative
Income of
income of
that.
10,000 rupees.
Yes. 100%.
So don't call someone out without knowing what they're doing.
Yeah. Very true.
And this comes from someone who owns a brand that sells the most expensive chocolates in India. I'm just saying, let them exist, let them do what they're doing.
Yeah. Because they're not catering to the audience that you are catering to, right? It's a different audience.
कभी कभी मन करता है
Yeah.
लोगों का कि
Exactly.
यार खा लेते हैं डेयरी मिल्क.
Yeah.
इट्स अ हाउस होल्ड नेम. और ऐसा नहीं है ना कि आपके घर में जो घी तेल आ रहा है
That, you know, is
वो
fully...
A2 होना चाहिए.
Correct. Completely unadulterated. Everything. ना वो प्लास्टिक कटिंग बोर्ड से लेके अभी ये तो क्या ही अभी अपने बॉडी में क्या क्या जा रहा है you don't know, just like
It's more affordability than choice.
yes, agreed. And I think that as long what we can do as individuals who want to or can financially lead a healthier lifestyle is moderation. If you want to indulge, there are brands that we can opt
Yeah,
for,
like-
and moderation. That is key.
100%. Yeah. Anything in control is
Yes.
not harmful.
Yes, I agree. And now that you brought up mutual funds, I have to ask you this question. He's like, I'm regretting this already. How do you manage your money?
So I'll be honest with you.
Yes, that's what we
Didn't
like.
manage it in school because never had to.
Fair.
Father took care of it. Didn't manage it in college because father took care of it to a great extent. Didn't know I was making money that time. Like father didn't know I was making money. So I thought रखूंगा कहाँ पर? So I would buy stuff. I'd be like, आज मुझे ये
Puffy
चाहिए.
jackets at Superdry.
Puffy jackets at Superdry. Buying Jaeger bottles at parties.
Arre.
Buying
Lovely.
drinks for random people. Taking friends out to eat on a month end when we were all figuring out वड़ा पाव खा के चाय पी के आज निकालते हैं कल पैसा आएगा घर से.
Arre.
To doing the most random trips to Bangalore and Delhi. Surprisingly, I never did a Goa trip in college. But I traveled everywhere else to go and
But
spend so
that
much
is
money.
to the dream.
Correct. But I didn't have friends who would be allowed to do it. And we were always scared कि कभी phone switch off होता है और
तो-
वो state के local language में dialer बजा तो
मार पड़ेगी.
बाहर पड़ेगी मतलब finish हो जाएंगे ना.
हाँ.
After that, after college happened, after I dropped out, genuinely never made enough money for a long time to have to manage it. I went from making a lakh or something to dropping out to having an in-hand salary of 16,500
Yeah.
a month,
Yeah.
going up to 20,000, 22,000, 25. मैनेज क्या करता है यार? 2 वीकेंड सोशल चले गए, ठुक गए 4-5 हज़ार रुपए. कभी मन किया बेल्ट खरीद लिया, शर्ट खरीद ली, गए पैसे नहीं तभी थे नहीं मैनेजमेंट के लिए, तभी भी फैमिली इन्वेस्टमेंट्स थे. फिर क्या हुआ, when I started earning money, I invested back into my startups. There's a great loan amount and there's a great amount of my own investment I've made through social media, consulting, food gigs, blah, 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 till 2023.
अभी तो
Till
मतलब
2023 start.
हाँ.
So for the last 1.5 year, how I manage my finance is insurance.
Okay.
I save for my travel.
Okay.
And I stop putting money back in the startups. Instead, I keep it for myself
Okay.
to buy.
More puffy jacket.
No, they're not puffy jackets anymore. They're fancy shoes now.
Arre.
No, but also I love traveling. So I at least attempt to do 1 to 2 international trips a year.
That's great. But are you still
Experiential.
asking your dad to manage your money a little bit in terms of investments? Are you doing anything?
No, they're rolling investments. Now I have a non-disclosed sizable portfolio.
Non-disclosed sizable portfolio.
And
Okay.
it keeps shuffling.
Okay, so you have something in place.
Yeah, like I do. Like ऐसा नहीं है, mutual funds भी है, shares भी है.
Okay. That's all I needed to know.
हाँ, but
That's it.
मेरे खुद का खरीदा हुआ नहीं है, but है.
No, see, you don't need, that's my point, right? You don't need to buy it yourself. Now,
हाँ, वैसे सब कुछ है. Like वैसे भगवान की दया से I have everything with God's grace. It's just not my
like you
bought.
have not
I've not
sat
bought
and
it.
picked it. But that's exactly why I love having this conversation, because you don't need to be a jack of all trades. You don't need to understand I mean, yes, you should take an interest in where your money is. You should understand where it is, who's doing what to it, because finally it's your money. Who anybody is going to get access to it, it's you. But the only thing that I would like to say is that it's not needed that you are extremely hands-on on it. You don't need to sit and pick every stock that you invest
Micromanaging
in.
everything in your life is a terrible idea.
Yes, you can find a professional who can choose to do it. It's totally fine.
Yeah, I would genuinely, not because I'm on your show, I would rather much have you or your brand manage my portfolio.
Yeah, see?
And from whatever I've known and I've done so far, and I've heard rather, it's a start is a start.
Exactly.
Like you can start with very little and go on.
100. You can start with, did you know you can start with 500
500
rupees?
rupees, yeah.
It's great.
मुझे बहुत लोग ने बोला.
It's great.
The thing is that when I started paying for insurance, electricity and stuff sometimes, I used to पहले think यार पैसे नहीं है, कहाँ से खर्चा करूँ? पैसे कमाते हो आप, उसको segment करना पड़ता है.
Correct.
And that is very important.
Very, very well said. उसे segment करना ही पड़ता है, because you know that you have to keep X amount aside for this, X amount aside for that.
When you run a startup, you'll understand
Exactly.
what raising a baby is,
Yes.
what growing a family is, how to take care of others' families.
And when so many people are dependent on you, you have to pay salaries, you have to make sure सबका घर चल रहा है. It's a big responsibility.
But yes.
Great.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being so candid and so honest.
So much
and
fun.
Taking out the time, even though little mini crises are going on
But
all
that's,
the time.
But
that's life.
Startup life.
Yes, that's startup
You know
life.
it. Every day I wake up, I'm like, भगवान 12 बजे के पहले problem मत देना.
Yeah, can't deal with it before 12. बाद में दे देना.
हाँ, 1.5 कप चाय जानी चाहिए.
Correct.
फिर मालूम होना चाहिए आज पालक मशरूम बना है.
Oh ho ho.
I can deal with problems better today.
Today.
दूधी की सब्जी बनी है तो हम like अरे
आज प्रॉब्लम देना ही नहीं,
problem
कल
नहीं चाहिए, कल करेंगे. But yes, I
Thank
think
you
it's
so
fantastic.
much, darling. This was fantastic.
I
It was
think
so
it was
much
great.
fun.
Hi you guys, I'm super excited to be here and chill with Fin Cocktail. I would really like you guys to go like, share and subscribe to their channel. And trust me, there's a lot to learn and a lot of fun.
Thank you. Bye.